though we can't really get together and have a lot of big parties or anything, we can do things with our family. And to make something really fun and alcoholic drink, there is a recipe for one that I like a lot. And it is a cranberry drink. Kind of like a Cosmo, but there's some other stuff in it. So the ingredients are vodka, triple sec, or any other orange liqueur, black cherry juice, there's cranberry juice, and there's orange juice. And that's all mixed together in a container and shook up with ice. And then the coolest part is you get clear balls, clean them out, and then you fill them with the drink. Now I have to use a funnel because the lid, the top is pretty small. So then all you do is you pour your drink into your ornaments. Right? You got your ornament filled with your drink. You're going to put your little cap back in. You take a martini glass and you have sugared cranberries. To sugar our cranberries, all you have to do is make a simple syrup. Stick them in there for just a little bit. You don't cook them, you just let them sit in there for a second and then set them out to dry and then roll them in sugar. Simple, right? Set it right here on this side. You have a couple of sprigs of rosemary, but when you get them all done, the presentation of your cocktail is really, really cute. When you go to deliver them or hand them out, all you're going to do is show your guests that you take the top off, pour your drink in with the cranberries and rosemary. You have a delicious cocktail for the holidays. Let me see how it tastes. That is so refreshing. I'm going to put this recipe underneath in the link, and you're going to love it.